everybody, this is the Awesome Brick here, and today I'll be playing on Flood Escape again. So, let's not talk and let's get into a map. Don't need that, don't need that. Let's play Flood Escape. So, we're gonna go on medium because the game has ended. Intermission. Next one we will do easy. Alright, I got 2 wins in the last video. So, wee! 3, whoa, that was awesome. Alright, left. The game has begun. Wee! Okay, I'm sorry about that. We'll escape the facility. Alright. Let's escape a facility. Divided paths. Alright. See if I can win here. Again. Let's make this jump. There we go. Alright. Here we go. Don't fall. No! Okay. I fell, but it could have been worse. Could have been dead. But I'm alive. Are they gonna come back for me like they did in the first video? No! Yes, okay. Oh, let's go. Yes. Yes! Oh my, this is a tough situation. Yes. I'm barely in. Let's go. Maintenance. I'm getting better at this game. I am getting better at this game. Where are the buttons? The lift is up there. Oh, they already opened the lift. These people are good. Are they? Wait. Oh. Okay. Let's go over there. Try to get on that one. Ooh, this is gonna be some tough jumps. All right, there we go. Don't drop. Don't fall. 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 Yes! Last one. We're on the last one to winning here on medium to start the video. That would be awesome. Like the Awesome Brick. And yes, I made it. All right. Let's go. Where's the lift? Ooh, that's high. I think it's right there. I'm just gonna wait till the lift's open now. Do you guys need help? Oh, I've been on this level, I think. Tell me if, I've been on this level. The lift is unlocked. So, how do we get out? Oh, crud. Gotta make the, no! Again, on medium, I barely miss a jump. Or, wow. Well, that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. So, I'll see you guys when easy starts. Guys, we're back here on Flood Escape. We are on intermission, looking to go on another easy. Oh, is it full? It's not full. Oh, yes, it is. It's full. Alright, you guys go get the buttons, and I'll just stand around doing nothing. Alright, sounds like a good idea? Alright, cool. Cool that we agreed. No, I will not die. Yes. Yes, and yes. Alright. Okay, oh. You guys are fast. I'm terrible at jumping. Wow, I am really bad at this. Oh wait, we're going to medium. We can make it. No, we can make it. Yes, no! Are you serious? Are you serious? Well, we're gonna go on hard. Round beginning. Round beginning. Lowering left. Lowering left. This is not gonna go well for me, considering I'm the only one. I remember this one. I could not do the jump, but I did it. Yes! Please. Please. Only one button? Seems a bit too easy. Great, I have to walk this tightrope. I can do this. Believe in yourself, and you will always succeed. Lesson of the day. I'm gonna guess this button's gonna help me get over there, right? Yes. Good. Very good. I feel like I feel like the water rises higher and faster in this. I really feel like it does. Uh-oh. No! No! Are you kidding me? I was inches away from having a win. Oh my, that's depressing. That is depressing. Well, we don't need to cut ahead because Easy is already loading. We'll play one more unless I win. If I win this, we'll end off on a good note. If I don't win, we're going to play one more medium. Hopefully. But we'll see. Lowering lift. Escape the facility. I've done most of these, I think, on my last couple of videos. There we go. There we go. Button. I want to get this button to make me feel proud of myself. Yay. Yay, I got 2 buttons. I'm a big help. I hope. Good jump. Good make. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, hurry up, slowpokes. Okay, they're not slow. I just am fast. What happened? Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Did she die? She died, I think. Wow, that's sad. Oh, no, she's alive. Along with the other people who apparently can't find their way over here. This is not fun for them. Okay, someone made it. The other 2? One made it? Oh my gosh, they're sliding. Oh, well, we're done. Nope, we're not. There we go. Let's go. Filtering system. Oh, I've been on this one. I think I did these on when I won those 2 straight. Okay, you know the drill. You guys get the buttons. But I'm going to change it and get the buttons. There we go. Got 1 button. I'm a big help. There we go. Yes! Let's go! Anyone? Come on, I need help! Yes, make it! I need help on the last one. If you mess up, thank you. Alright. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Cooling mess up. Oh, okay. I know how to do this one, though. I now know how to do this. Get the button at the end of this. Let's got it. No, we hurry before the flood. There we go. What? No. Jump. Jump. Jump! There we go. Phew. Alright. Let's do this ahead of time. Just have to make this. Jump! Yes! Yes! Oh, what's she doing? Oh, no. Good girl. Is there anything up there? Oh, I see it. But that did nothing. The water's rising. Oh, no. Oh! She left me! Again, people leave me. Why? Yes! Yes! Okay, if I mess up, I'm gonna... Yes! Yes! Code cracking! Find the room. Yes! Got it! Yes! 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 We have 3 wins! Let's go! Let's go! We're not ending the video. We're going 2! Easy. No, medium. Can I get in time? Yes, I'm in. Let's go! Alright, last one here. Let's try to make this. Oh, I know this one. I know this one. I've been here like 20,000 times. I know this one. Eek! There we go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. eagle has landed. Wait, what? Oh, okay. We're just gonna continue this easy here. Apparently they died, so we're just gonna continue. Not easy. We're gonna continue medium. Here. Game is ready. Let's do this. Same guys. And it's not the same one. Let me just get that one. There we go. Let's go. All right, climb this, I think. I do not know how to do this. Oh, okay, you go get that. Thank you very much. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay, what do we do now? Do we jump there? Okay, I'll jump there. Barely made that jump. Okay, okay. Okay. Don't die. We kind of need you here, so get that. Oh, no! Man, we had a good ride. We had a good run. Well, no, we're going to continue this medium. I'm not giving up on medium. We've done 3 straight, I'm pretty sure. We're running out of time on this video. But I will do this very last one. And I will most likely lose. I mean, win! Confident. Be confident in yourself. Believe you can... Oh, this one. Alright, you guys are lucky. I'm going to get the button for you. Alright, got a couple... There we go. Couple tries here. But I have to make this one count. Oh, wow. We're already done with the first one. Let's go. 3 more players. There's one, which is doing unnecessary parkour. You didn't have to do that. Oh, well, you had a good run. Rydeth, you had a good run. But now, it's over. Alright, you and me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What was that for? Rushing pulse. Okay. We can do that. We can rush a pulse. Whoa. Lifting me in the air, I see. Button. Yes, got it. I have a big help. Ooh. There we go. The water's rising quickly. Why am I going this way? Oh, right. The wraparound. Alright. Uh-oh. Well, I had a good run. Can't believe he left me. That's rude. Oh, wait, he didn't. He died. Well, that's all we have time for in this video. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you all later.